Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the passwords and security, then to fingerprint unlock, then you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Let's select pin. Then you have to get to know with this information, tap got it. Then you have to enter your PIN, then you have to confirm it, and at last, not at last, in the next step you will have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of our device, and just tap it with your finger several times, like this, until it remembers quite fast. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering PIN code with just only your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.